time would I have my power ras clot for Joma roll me down the road to blood clot now. Come in and know I'm gonna become a me when me dead. Maybe I 4 drum them get come along blood clot baga knife. I'm bored the drum them I make 2 wheel and put my power blood clot cardboard box. Mother dead RT. Yo, who spare my blood clot life? It come like my married to blood clot you and divorce you old grudge me and my married life. Low my RT. It's rude. It's rather fucking rude. The last time I started down trouble me and my marriage. You take this thing too far, me with this your wife. And you still continue come back now and say, you cut out, you, whatever you fucking say, you know what you say. I rebuke you, Lucifer. Satan, get thee behind. You can't test my RT. I'm pure. Me's like the pure spring water, what spring from the earth. You hear that? Me, Queenie RT. Listen to blood clots me. Not call my name, not take no boss off of me. I not sit down and have that. If I clot your blood clot, look me, I get a clot. Come silent long. I say everything I go out of I don't mean him say. I told Queen me the man say, you better go make the next blood clot second queen, because you not reach second yet. Don't do it. Me, nah claims that I'm not have that. You hear me? Mr. fucking Bumblewall RT, Obi a stupid blood clot, man. All me have my money, I want to work, Obi. I feel this cantankerous in everybody. I feel this cantankerous in everybody. And I say something. He's like a Miss G and Miss Liza, Miss Motherland blood clotting. It's like a panty pudding. It's a skirt pudding. He's a blouse pudding. RT blood clot panty pudding boss. You can't over me. Go! Remember when you're in your kitchen enough? I used to say, I miss you with a whole heap of coconut. I said, Bumble Clot, you really over man for true. RT, let me tell you, blood clot this. Look for me, I just remember. I did have one cousin named Miss Gloria. I'm not even know what she did. My father cousin, a center mass. And she live with a man named Mr. Barrett. He work Obia. Real blood clot Obia, man. RT talk to me, I just remember. Yo! Me thief out the Obia man money RT. I can't go to church and get a pit of them and show offering with it. Me RT. When my little girl, maybe 10 minutes, remember me that blood clot, how much? I used to go buy them Obia items. Frankincense and more, Kalanga water. I'm never afraid. I'm still a blood clot afraid because I got me say. When me I grow with my mother and my mother's sister, them, which is my auntie, them wake up morning time and them kneel down and them pray. Them pray at them head arch and that me grow under. No weapon farm against the queen. Auntie, you cannot obey me. Don't chat shit. I don't like it. It's rubbish. Me. I'm going to repeat it. Right and white horses. When I live with my father sent me for to stay with Miss Gloria, you know, my cousin, my father, cousin, you know, the woman, you know. And our man is an Obia man. Auntie, you can't do my blood clot, nothing. I'm still there, I'm still not mingling at Obia. Because the way I'm powerful, and my God is real. Me now for lick me and you. Anyone a blood clot, you know. We don't know real Obia. I keep remember when I'm pregnant, I don't like me to look at me. Me all nervous. Remember when I'm pregnant, woman come there. God knows so much. Maybe 12. White horses. Anybody where they find this now, Mr. Barrett, in the right time, you know, somebody five on the auntie and the cousin. Yeah. And the girl come back pregnant. And Mr. Barrett tell them to buy one pole. You see, everybody will come and get bags, them drop 50p, do me $50. In them have to put on silver money, $50 in ever. Auntie, you can't do me nothing. I purify for me like a girl, auntie. Nobody can do me nothing. Mr. Barrett used to say me have to sit down and close my leg. When they live at women yard, you can't sit down and cross their leg. You can't sit down at the doorway. Me never believe in a none of blood clot them when me little bit. Me just steady with them. You hear what me say? RT, me not have no blood clot fear. I got them a fear. None of blood clot you can't free me. Nothing. Me tell you. And when them carry the white for the woman have a little belly. Right now, me have picture of one short woman. And Mr. Barrett grab the fall and pull the fall and pop up the fall next up. And stays up on the woman. Long time afraid of blood. That's why I'm not like hospital. You hear that? Enough I got through. Enough experience me have going on. Never blood clot even express. I mean, not even remember them. Because I never that thought no more remember. I saw me see the blood and creep and woman. Turn on my face. Still a peep. As a little girl. You hear that? When the 50p them, the $50 them, when you put that time in my one will for money. Long time I had that heart to you. If you come in my life, come give me a job for do. As a blogger. To carry a bend your blood clot back. To carry a road. You pay me a couple shit like me, you all so much in millions and overstay what you do. RT, everything's still in my phone. You can't over me. I never you over me, RT. You hear that? If you can't over blame. You can't over me. Me not sit down and laugh with you, chase to me laugh. It's rude. So it's rather rude. And I'm like, what look at social media gone to you. And I give my blood clot. You can think what I get a fake click like I'm married. RT, I want to know who we are ranked with. Really? Come to think of it. Yeah, I'm already man joking around. You think me? You could have seen me in a real life and I run them blood clot to the mayor reason. I would have laughed it out. May God help you. It's for internet to people. It's for internet to you know. Now for blood clots me. And I don't lie. But remember me natural. None of my blood clot do me no skit and plan. And when if I come to me for the skit and plan, me not the skits and plan. So I can't break me. I can't have no receipt for me. I can't have no file and I can't keep no blood clot case for me. I can't keep me relevant. Because I already me hide. Every blood clot body attack them use me as example. How can I be studied? The Queen of Rain. Oh, you for over? Are you do what to who? Don't fucking do it, RT. You know, I got you in the hospital. I 7 times them jump up on one blood clot and to find one vein and them couldn't find it. RT, but you over I'm dead to blood clot when them jump up 7 times. You can't treat my boy. Piss to your blood clot, RT, boss, make a reason. You can't chat to blood clot, net. You hear me from a blood clot husband because you know from a husband that you can't get no blood clot chance because me that blood clot papi so feel. I could then. Where I keep no one and blame. The only thing what me work around Queenie and friend because do it gone and I'm like, you this manipulating bumble. Me I be blood clot friend because they want blood clot hype. But me the glad to be your friend. I liked you. I like you as a person. That's the truth. As cantankerous as it is. I accept you as who you are. And that's the only reason why you get that chance. I wasn't desperate. But and there, Jamaica lock up in the house not going nowhere. Because me hide from the way and the way I hide from me. That was the matter. The two way I shot for our blood clot one another. Because the way I'm saying I'm going to kick me up to me. I'm going to say, I shall get a cure. I don't want to book him. And him hide from me. And you, Queenie, have to come out at night time, come promote your song. Tricky man, trick me, you know. Mr. RT, I'm not getting nowhere. Anyway, I go, I forget pay RT. I'm not lie. Anybody call me, the same thing I tell them. So it what's wrong with our fucking list? It wasn't anything spontaneous. Then you call me back and you said to me, remember you did pay me, you know, £400 when I was here before I went back. That's when you come meet every time I do the Ben promotion. Then when you invite me to Jamaica, I say, if I come out at night time, come promote me. So I'm sorry, I'm not going nowhere, I from do it. And you call me back. I said, Queenie, I send you £400. Come out with me tonight, and that was an intro. That was one of the sweetest nights. I appreciate the little nice time and something. When this man up on the live now, he talk down to me and tell me, Queenie, you know, listen. And I'm like, how come this man feel like him can't come in my life? Come tell me something. Listen. Family, come in, me not listen to nobody. Me not listen to mother, father, sister, brother, niece, nor no blood clot body but myself. One thing my terrible thought. Me not blame nobody for them mistake, for my mistake. We're a different species. Can I only get me now and tell me 10 something I said don't do it. I don't think I need an talk to. And where me blood clots the contact of my life, and that's what I need to learn about life. The choices that you make in life, you have to cope with them. Whether it becomes good or bad, and that's what I believe. Yes, friend, me gonna make decision. I'm hear them blood clot people and them say, them give Queenie advice and Queenie not take it. And I'm like, did they just say that? Who the fuck are enough to take advice, blood clot from when they are blood clot symptoms at the tunnel with the rat back them? When I look a girl, I'm have to climb the coconut tree and put the rope on for weeds. I want to reach up, I tie the bunch and drop the machine for cut it. Well, I'm afraid that all of them look at some of them and look right at them. And my brother said, come, Janice. And the brother don't look black, but who can chat to me? Nobody. Don't get me wrong. I will listen to people in a conversation if it's needed. Me not take advice. Let my own advice. I'm too bold. I'm too beautiful. I'm too experienced. I'm too smart. No.